Hey guys, it's Steven from Fratelli, and today we're going to show you how to make an Aperol Spritz at home. It's a very simple recipe. Just remember 3, 2, 1 Prosecco, Aperol, club soda, and you'll be ready to spritz for the rest of your days. Here we have our homemade Aperol Spritz. We can go ahead and take a sip. Yeah, that's so summery and refreshing. I really like these things. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the thumbs up, like button, and subscribe to the channel. Every subscriber truly makes my day. Thank you guys so much again for watching. Stay well and see you soon.